two ways of doing this first. Forget about 0 for a second. We can use the minus b formula, or we can just factorize. The factors of x squared are... Yeah, we'll do it both ways. Factors of x squared are x times x. Factors of 36, 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9. Which pair of add up to 13?
The 4 and 9.
4 and 9. Right, so you put your two x's, 1x there, 1x there. I will use the 4 and 9, we'll write the 9 first. Okay? So I'll just rub these out of the way, just cut them out of the way.
You put an x.
Right, yeah. So the check I do is 9 times x is 9x. Oh, sorry, 4 there. X times 4 is 4x. Will 9x and 4x add up to minus 13? No, I need a minus. Top sign goes left, the bottom sign goes right. Okay? Right. If the question was factorize,
That's it.
I'm finished. They're the factors. Alright, but if it says solve, you have to go further. I'll bring back to 0. So we have x minus 9 is equal to 0, and x minus 4 is equal to 0. Yeah, now move the minus 9 across, it becomes plus 9. Minus 4 across becomes... Okay, so you understand the difference between solve. Solve means find... Yeah, solve means find the values of x. Right, there's that way, or the minus b formula way. So the minus b formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. A is the number in front of the x squared. 1. Right, a is equal to 1. B is the number in front of the x. B is equal to minus 13. C is equal to... Alright, so we fill them in. We replace the letters first with brackets, so you don't make any mistakes with signs. Alright, so the B was minus 13. So minus, alright, B is minus 13. This was an A, 1, C, 26. This is an A, 1. So now minus times a minus gives you a plus 13. Minus 13 times minus 13 squared is 169. And right, 4 times, so it's minus 4 times 1 times 36. Oh. So 144. So it's a minus 144. 169 minus 144 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. I'll just bring it all in here. What was that on the bottom? 2. Right, to finish it off, we have 2 paths we can go. X is equal to 13 plus 5 over 2. Over 2. And the second path is x is equal to 13 minus 5 over 2. So 13 plus 5 is 18 divided by 2. 9. 13 minus 5 is 8 divided by 2. 4. X is equal to 9 and x is equal to 4. Right. So the next one. solve. So this one in the question says give your answer to 2 decimal places. So that means straight away use the minus b formula. So we have y squared minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we start off with Ben, what's a equal to? What's a equal to?
1.
1. B equal to?
Minus 5.
C.
1.
Alright, then you write out your minus b formula. Alright, rub out your letters and place them in brackets. Right, B is minus 5. A is 1, C is 1, and A is 1. So this becomes minus times minus. That's plus 5. Minus 5 squared means minus 5 times minus 5. It's 25. Now it's minus 4 times 1 times 1. Calculator, it's just minus 4. 25 minus 4 is 21. And your calculator, square root of 21 equals that number. So what we'll do is we'll just leave it at the square root of 21 until we get to the final stage. 2 times 1 is 2. Right, so what we'll do is in the calculator we'll type in 5 plus square root of 21 over 2 and we'll get an answer, and then we'll go in the calculator 5 minus square root of 21 over 2 and we'll get an answer. So 5 plus the square root of 21 equals divided by 2.
Did you put it rounded off?
Yeah, so to do the 2 decimal places, 4.79, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the second one. So 5 minus the square root of 21 equals divided by 2 SD. So what's that? It's 2 decimal places. 0.208. So 0.21.